The Higgs mechanism is what gives everything mass. It's what gives you mass, it's what gives us pen mass, and it's what gives everything around us their mass. At least, only for 1% of it. You see, 99.97% of the mass of your body come from protons and neutrons, which are made of constituent particles called quarks. Quarks only make up roughly 1% of the total mass of a proton or a neutron. If that's the case, where does the missing 99% of your mass come from? Here's where quantum chromodynamics come into the play. Quantum chromodynamics is a theory of how quarks, the building blocks of protons and neutrons, interact with each other through a fluctuating field called the gluon field. What you have to know about the gluon field is that it takes a tremendous amount of energy to clear out. Only flux tubes, which are what holds quarks together inside of protons and neutrons, can put in enough energy to clear out a very small region of the gluon field where the flux tubes passes through. But what does quarks, the gluon field, and flux tubes have to do with the missing 99%? Let's say we have 3 quarks, which you can imagine as 3 weights. These 3 weights are connected to each other by flux tubes, which you can imagine to be a near indestructible spring. When we give this system a spin, simulating how quarks are traveling very fast inside of protons and neutrons, the weights will try to pull apart, stretching the spring. And when the spring stretches, it gains a lot of potential energy, just like how flux tubes have to put in a lot of energy to clear out the gluon field. And combine that with the high kinetic energy from the weight spinning, the result is a system with enormous amounts of energy. E equals mc squared tells us that energy is just mass in a different form. Rearranging the equation, we can see that with a lot of energy, we can produce just a little bit of mass. The energy from flux tubes clearing out the gluon field and quarks traveling very fast inside of protons and neutrons is where 99% of your mass comes from. If you ever feel unmotivated in your future or having a bad day, just remember that you're made up of 99% pure energy.